Happy Chinese New Year! Welcome to Chinese Idioms Lesson 9, Chinese New Year Special with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning some of the forward phrases or Chinese idioms that you can use in your Chinese New Year greetings or well wishes. Before that, what do you think this is? This is Fu Dao. Fu means good fortune or blessings. Fu Dao means the Fu is being overturned. It has the same sound as Fu Dao, which means Fu has come, or blessing or good fortune is here. 新年快乐. Xin means new, Nian means year, 快乐 means happy. The whole forward phrase means that Happy Chinese New Year or Happy New Year. When you want to say Happy New Year or Happy Chinese New Year, you can say 新年快乐. 身体健康. 身体 means body, 健康 means healthy. The whole forward phrase 身体健康 means that you are wishing the person good health. When you want to say wish you Happy New Year and good health, you can say 新年快乐，身体健康，恭喜发财。恭喜 means congratulations. 发财 means to get rich or make a fortune. The whole forward phrase 恭喜发财 means that you are wishing the person prosperity and wishing the person wealth, getting rich or making a fortune. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and prosperity, you can say 新年快乐，恭喜发财。红包拿来。红 means red, 包 means packet. 红包 means red packet. 拿 means take or bring. 来 means here. The whole forward phrase 红包拿来 means that red packet take or bring here. When you want to say congratulations on getting rich, bring the red packets over. You can say 恭喜发财，红包拿来. This is only a joke. 学业进步. 学业 means studies or academics. 进步 means improve or progress. The whole forward phrase 学业进步 means that you are wishing someone improvement or progress in their studies or academics. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and academic success, you can say 新年快乐，学业进步。心想事成。心 means heart, 想 means think, 事 means thing, 成 means happens. The whole Chinese idiom 心想事成 means that whatever you think in your heart, it will happen, or it will also be successful, or it will be completed. So it means that what you wish will come true. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and may your wishes come true, you can say 新年快乐，心想事成，万事如意。万 means 10,000, 事 means things. 如意 means as one wants or according to one's wishes. The whole Chinese idiom 万事如意 means that everything will go according to plan, everything will go smoothly, and everything will go well. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and may things go well and smoothly for you, you can say 新年快乐，万事如意，步步高升。步步 means step by step, 高 means high, 升 means rise. The whole Chinese idiom 步步高升 means that you are wishing the person rise high step by step. It can be educational advancement, career advancement, or even growing taller and taller. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and advancement, you can say 新年快乐，步步高升，年年有余。年年 means every year or year after year. 有 means have. 余 means extra, excess or surplus. The whole Chinese idiom 年年有余 means that you are wishing someone abundance or that they will always have surplus or remainder or extra every year or year after year. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and abundance year after year, you can say 新年快乐，年年有余。The yu over here has the same pronunciation as yu, which is fish. That's why the symbol fish is usually used to represent 年年有余. Now is quiz time. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐. When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and good health, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，身体健康。When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and academic success, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，学业进步。When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and may your wishes come true, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，心想事成。When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and may things go smoothly and well for you, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，万事如意。When you want to wish someone Happy New Year and prosperity, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，恭喜发财。When you want to say Happy New Year and abundance year after year, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，年年有余。When you want to say wish you Happy New Year and advancement, what can you say? You can say 新年快乐，步步高升。Like and share the video if you have enjoyed it or learned something from it. Subscribe to learn more Chinese idioms and Chinese with Teacher Mint.